Have you ever wondered what everyday objects look like up close? Prepare to be amazed, because today we're diving into the microscopic world. We're going to zoom in on ordinary things and reveal what they look like under extreme magnification. You won't believe your eyes. First up, let's take a look at a grain of table salt. What seems like a simple uniform crystal, to the naked eye transforms into a collection of perfect sparkling cubes under a microscope. Each tiny cube is a testament to the ordered structure of the salt's molecular bonds. It's a reminder that even the most common things have hidden complexities. Next, let's magnify a strand of human hair. At first glance, it looks smooth, but under extreme zoom, you'll see a scaly surface like shingles on a roof. These overlapping scales, called cuticles, protect the inner part of the hair. The color variations you see are due to the presence of melanin, the pigment that gives hair its color. Now let's examine a coffee bean. To your eyes, it's just a dark, irregularly shaped object, but under the microscope, it reveals a complex cellular structure. You'll see a network of cells filled with the compounds that give coffee its unique flavor and aroma. The texture is rough and irregular, a far cry from its smooth, roasted exterior. Let's move on to something a little more surprising: a common house dust particle. Dust, as you might imagine, is a chaotic mix of various materials. Under the microscope, you can identify fragments of skin cells, fibers from clothing, and other environmental particles. It's a humbling reminder of the invisible world that surrounds us. Finally, let's examine a piece of paper. What looks flat and smooth is, in fact, a tangled web of cellulose fibers. You can see the intricate arrangement of these fibers, which provide the paper with its strength and flexibility. The surface isn't smooth at all, but rather a complex landscape of interwoven strands. So there you have it, a glimpse into the hidden world of everyday objects. The next time you look at something ordinary, remember the incredible details that lie beneath the surface. The world is full of wonders, just waiting to be explored.